What is up, Telescopes? It's your girl Talise, aka Curly Tails, and I'm back here with another CURLSMAS video. And today, as you can tell from the title, I'm going to be doing a bunch of things. I'm going to be doing a Christmas eye look. I'm going to be attempting a couple holiday hairstyles, and I'm also going to be unboxing my sister's BOXYCHARM for December 2020. Damn! Before we get started with this video, I just want to say welcome back to all my subbies, my telescopes, and if you are new to my channel, welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe button right below this video, and also make sure you ring that notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. And if you have a natural hair channel and I'm not yet subscribed to you, comment that down below and I'll subscribe back. Alright, let's get started. As you guys know, I don't really wear a lot of hairstyles, so I have some holiday inspired like hair accessories here with me. So I'm going to be trying those out and just seeing what I can come up with. I did do some Googling trying to like see some cute natural holiday hairstyles, and I didn't really find that many options. So we're just going to kind of be winging it. If anybody was wondering, this is day 5 of my Eco Super Olive 10 times moisturizing gel only wash and go. So this is what the gel looks like if you guys didn't see that video. Make sure you check it out. I'll link it down below in the description. And this is what my hair is looking like on day 5. So I do still have definition. I have some frizz now, and I'm sad to say my hair is feeling like it is on its way to being really dry. It's not there yet, but it is on its way. So definitely not what I was expecting from a 10 times moisturizing gel, but that's also what I get for doing a gel only wash and go. This is my first holiday hair accessory, and I think all of them are from Scroochie. I think they all are. And I got them on clearance at Meijer. So I was really excited to find these really pretty holiday accessories on sale, on clearance. Okay, this is my first hairstyle look, kind of, barely. Barely. And it is a messy kind of wash and go look with this super cute padded headband with the pearls. Here's a bit of a closer look. I did put a little bit more gel at the front of my head to kind of, smooth it down. And I did my edges a little bit, just a little bit. Okay, now that I'm done with my first holiday hairstyle, I'm actually going to jump into my Christmas eye look so you guys can see the eyeshadow with every hairstyle. Okay, I just did the first eye off camera, so here's what it's looking like. This is an up close look. I hope it's giving you guys Christmas vibes, and I hope you like it. I got inspired by a picture I saw online, but I kind of did my own thing. I used a bunch of palettes to create this look, probably the most palettes I've ever used. I used the Zoeva Heritage palette, which looks like this. And I really just used this color here and these two. I used the Huda Beauty Gemstone Obsessions palette, which looks like this. And I used this color right here. I also used the Violet Voss Essentials Pro Series eyeshadow palette, and this is what it looks like. And I just used this green emerald, and I mixed that with this light green in the Juvia's Place Zulu palette. Then I used the Morphe 8S Stellar Impact palette, and I only used this gold right here. It's called Big Bang. And lastly, I used my Morphe 3502 Second Nature palette, and I only used one color, and that's this kind of sparkly red right here. And that's kind of my main color of the look. And then for my primer, I used my Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion Original, which this is the first time I've ever used it, and I got this from Ulta and it was 50% off. I like it so far. It's not drying like the Pretty Vulgar one is, and it has a really cool like applicator, which I was not expecting. Okay, I'm gonna get started on this other eye and then I'll see you guys when I'm done. And I'm also gonna be applying some mascara off camera. Okay, I'm back. I applied my mascara, I took my hair back down, and I applied some of this Fenty Gloss Bomb in the color Hot Chocolate. My sister got this for me. She gets a lot of stuff from me, as you guys can see. So shout out to her. I really love this. It really goes great with my skin tone. So this is what the final look is looking like up close. Please let me know down below in the comments how you guys like it. I think this is my favorite look so far. I really love how it came together, and it's definitely perfect for Christmas. Okay, for my second holiday hairstyle, I'm just gonna spice up this wash and go with these sparkly clips. Look how pretty these are. They'll make any hairstyle look like a holiday hairstyle. Okay, I don't really know what to do with this clip right here. I kind of like it where it's at, and I kind of don't. So I'm just going to leave it here for now because I'm not really finding a placement that I love, but this one's okay. I think this is going to be my last hairstyle just because the way this wash and go is set up, it is feeling drier and drier by the second, and I don't want to keep manipulating my hair and start snapping strands. So I'm gonna stop here, but I did want to show you the other kind of accessories that I had, and then I am going to do an updo for you guys very soon because my girl Marla Morris did request that, and I do want to do that. I just don't think that this is the wash and go for it. I don't want to, it's probably gonna be looking a mess because it's so dry anyway, and I could just do better with another wash and go. So that will be coming soon. Please be on the lookout for that updo. So these are the other accessories that I had. I had this huge burgundy scrunchie with like pearls all around it. It's so cute. So I'll probably use that for the updo maybe, or I'll use it for a puff. That'd be really cute. And I also had these clips and this clip right here. They're very sparkly. I feel like this one will be really good for New Year's too. So maybe I'll do a New Year's updo and use this one. And then I also had these clips from Shop Miss A that I could probably also have used. Alright, now it's time to unbox my sister's December 2020 BOXYCHARM base box. I did already look inside this box with her, and this was a really good one. I was really impressed. There wasn't anything, you know, too bougie or expensive, but this was a really nice box. So I can't wait to show you guys what's inside. This is the card, and it says Bubbles and Glitz, and she got variation number 32. This is such a pretty card. Well, I think it's one of the prettiest ones we've gotten so far. I love this gold. Okay, the first product on the card is the one that I was the most excited about, and it's the Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions eyeshadow palette. It says each Huda Beauty Obsessions eyeshadow palette is packed with a selection of 9 highly pigmented mattes and striking shimmers, all with a smooth and blendable texture. Amethyst has 6 duochrome and 3 matte shades in commanding mauve and violet tones. And the original price is $27. So I did already use a Huda Beauty palette, an Obsessions palette in this video. I used the gemstone one, and now we have the amethyst one too. So I was so excited to see this in this box. I've seen my girls Jackie Naturals and Gigi Loves Beauty too talk about the Huda Beauty Obsessions palette. I think they both have this amethyst one and they really like it, so I'm excited to try it out. I also want to give another quick shout out to Gigi Loves Beauty too, because she did an absolutely stunning Christmas eye look, and you guys have to check it out. She inspired me to try my own Christmas look, so I will definitely be linking her video down below in the description. Make sure you check it out because you're going to be blown away. This is what the packaging looks like, and I also have the Obsessions one here, and they have a different look to them, because I think the other ones, it's like a specific gemstone, so they put like something like this on the front, and then since it's a bunch of colors in this one, they just put all the colors. But they both have cute packaging. I think this one is a little cuter because it looks like a diamond. And here is what the palette looks like. It does have a small mirror, so I'm gonna hide that. But look how pretty that is. I feel like when I do a Valentine's Day look, this is gonna be perfect for it. Okay, the next product on the card is the Ofra Cosmetics Pressed Banana Powder. It says this innovative matte powder is lightly banana scented and extremely versatile. Use it to conceal dark under eye circles, set concealer and foundation, highlight, or even as a matte eyeshadow. It says the original price is $35. Alright, this is what the packaging looks like. It's got really cute, simple packaging. I don't use powders at all, or I don't really even know how to use them, but my sister did seem excited to get this product and try it out. This is what the actual packaging of the powder looks like, and I really like this simple minimalist packaging. Okay, Ofra. And this is what the actual powder looks like, and it does come with a small mirror just like the Huda Beauty, so I'm hiding that as well. I don't really like banana scented things, but I am going to smell it real quick. Yeah, and it does have a light kind of banana candy type of scent. I don't like it, but it's okay. I don't like it at all. Banana scents are like a no for me. And the packaging says peel this way with our all-in-one pressed banana powder. So that's cute. And then the rest of it basically just says what the card already said. It does say how to use, sweep across the entire face using face brush to set makeup. Can be used to brighten, spot conceal, or highlight. Next up is the Tarte Man Eater Mascara. It says warning, maximum compliments ahead with this volumizing, lengthening, and curling mascara with a soft flex brush and lightweight triple black formula. And it says the original price is $23. Alright, this is what the packaging looks like, and look at that before and after picture. They are making some big claims here because her eyelashes are popping. The packaging says it delivers dramatic volume, length, and curl with no clumping or flaking. It has a custom brush with over 500 bristles to bring out every last lash. It has lash-loving ingredients of vitamin E, jojoba, and canola wax. And this is what the actual mascara looks like. And I really like, the Carol Baskin spots all over it. I'm not going to open it just because I don't know when she's going to start using it, and I don't want it to dry out at all. She did seem really interested in this mascara, so I hope she likes it, and I'll let you guys know what she thinks. The next product is a MAC Cosmetics matte lipstick. It says Meet MAC Lipstick, the iconic product that made MAC famous. This creamy rich formula features high color payoff and a no shine matte finish, and the original price is $19. Alright, this is the product, and it has the classic MAC packaging. And this is the color, it's Mare. I think that's how you say it. I don't think it's going to focus, but it's spelled M-E-H-R. And this is what the actual lipstick looks like. It looks like it might be a little bit too light for my taste, but I'm still going to give it a try. I'm going to give it a try right now. Okay, I didn't put very much on, but I do like it. I think it's kind of cute. I don't know if it goes so well with the eye look that I did for Christmas. I think the eye look might be doing a little bit too much for me to be wearing pink lipstick, but I do like it. I'm pleasantly surprised. And I know my sister is definitely not going to wear this, so this product is going to me. And the last product in the box is the Spongel Cherry Tonka Musk Multi-Use Body Wash Infused Buffer. It says Spongel has collaborated with BOXYCHARM to create limited edition body wash infused buffers. These buffers with built-in body wash are infused with extracts of yuzu, edelweiss, and vetiver root to cleanse, exfoliate, massage, and hydrate the skin for a spa-like pampering experience at home. Each sponge creates a scented lather that endures for at least 14 plus washes, shower after shower. And the original price is $20. Alright, this is what the product looks like. And this is what the actual sponge looks like. It says the benefits are that it's a body wash plus buffer. It's dermatologist tested. It cleanses, exfoliates, hydrates, and massages. The directions say place sponge under water, squeeze to absorb, massage in a circular motion to cleanse skin, squeeze out excess water after each use. And it does have a strong kind of perfumey scent to it. So my sister and I weren't really excited about this product at all. It's probably the product in the box that we were the least excited about. I don't know if we're going to give this a try. Maybe we'll just give it away to someone, maybe for Christmas, but yeah, this wasn't really up our alley. It smells, I won't say it smells bad. It smells kind of good, but it's not really what we were looking for from this BOXYCHARM. Alright, that's the end of this video. I'm sorry that it's coming out so late, but I really hope that you guys enjoyed it, and thank you so much for tuning into CURLSMAS. If you did enjoy it, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, share, and comment down below any videos you'd like to see. Thank you so much for watching and making it to the end of this video, and I'll see you tomorrow. Happy Christmas Eve!